In this video, I'll show you how to fix Gamma AI login issues in 2026. If you're having trouble logging into Gamma AI, don't worry. There are several simple things you can check to solve the problem. First, open Gamma AI on your PC or laptop and make sure you're using the correct website. Then try signing in with the same login method you used when creating your account. If you normally use Google or another sign-in option, select that same option instead of trying a different method. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can sometimes prevent the login page from loading properly. Try refreshing the page or reconnecting to your network. If the problem continues, open Gamma AI in a private or incognito browser window and try logging in again. You can also try a different browser to check whether the issue is related to your current browser. Another useful step is to clear your browser's cached data and cookies, then reopen Gamma AI and try signing in again. If you're entering a password manually, make sure Caps Lock is not accidentally enabled and check that you're using the correct email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the password recovery option on the login page and follow the instructions to regain access to your account. You should also check whether Gamma AI is experiencing a temporary service problem. If the service itself is having an issue, you may need to wait and try again later. Finally, make sure your browser is updated to the latest available version. An outdated browser can sometimes cause compatibility or login problems. And that's how you can troubleshoot common Gamma AI login issues in 2026. Try these steps one by one, and in many cases, you should be able to get back into your account. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Gamma AI tutorials.